Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky app on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the create account as well as the sign in button. Go ahead and tap on create account. And now you can choose your hosting provider and also enter your email address and your password. Now, if you wish to use a custom hosting service, then you can click on the edit button and choose your custom service and enter the server address with it. Otherwise, just choose Bluesky and then enter your preferred email address. Then type in your preferred password for your account and then enter your date of birth. You can then tap on the next button and now you can enter your desired username, also known as your user handle. You will also be shown your full handle underneath your entered user handle. After meeting the requirements, tap on the next button and now you will need to verify your identity by solving a CAPTCHA. After solving the CAPTCHA, you will now be able to create your profile. You can upload your photo or you can create an avatar instead. Then continue forward and then define your interests. After choosing a few of your interests, you can click on the continue button once again and now click on let's go in order to finalize your profile. And now you will be taken into your home feed on the Bluesky application right away. You may still need to verify your email before you can start using your account. In order to do this, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on settings. Then from here, click on account and you will now see the verify your email option. Go ahead and click on it and then click on send confirmation. You will now be asked to enter your confirmation code. So just check the email address that you used while signing up for your account and you will find your confirmation code. Just enter this code within the given box and then click on confirm. And now your email will be verified and you can now start enjoying your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Bluesky application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.